Sinica Waugh with your Clear Next Step. And one of the things I'm excited to share today is 3 handy dandy little network tips that we have. Tips for networking. And if you reach out to us, we can get these tips to you in writing as well. We've got a little portable card. It's the size of a business card and reminds us of 3 simple tips. You know, we don't all love to go to networking events, but it's better if you go in with a plan. So here are our 3 tips. First one, go in with a goal. What's your purpose? What's your plan? Is it just to survive? Maybe you can do something a little bit greater than that. Maybe it's to meet someone, maybe it's to form a new connection, maybe it's to learn something. But what is your goal? Go in with a goal. That's the first tip. The second tip is to exchange information. So we can't build good networks, we can't build good relationships unless we know how to follow up. And so I invite you to remember to exchange information. That's your second tip on this little card. So if you've got business cards, take them with you. If you need something else, bring it with you so you can exchange information with someone else. And the third step is to have a follow-up plan. So often when we go to these kinds of meetings or situations, we just go in and hope for the best. If you have a plan going in for how you're going to follow up with that person, how you're going to spend time together next, you'll be so much more successful. 3 quick tips on networking from your Clear Next Step.